Hey everyone, and welcome to this course. Hi, my name is Marsa, and I'm a digital portrait artist specializing in stylized rendering and character illustration. Over the next 21 days, we're going to focus on rendering, how to take your work from a simple sketch to a more finished, polished result. We'll talk about how light works, how to build form using value, and how to use color in a way that feels clean and intentional. We will also go through different materials and surfaces and see how to render them step by step. My goal is not just show you a technique, but to help you understand the process behind rendering so you can apply it into your own work. For this course, I'm providing you with a set of brushes for Procreate. You can use them or feel free to stick with your own brushes if you're already comfortable with them. For each piece we'll be working on, I will also include a sketch. I do recommend trying to make your own sketches whenever it's possible, but if you want to focus specifically on rendering, you can use the sketches I provide, and I will also include references for each project. You can choose the reference I'm using or choose your own. It's completely up to you. And you can go through this course more than once. So you follow along step by step the first time and then come back and try working with your own references using the same workflow. Okay, and let's get started.